one of the nice features about our graphing calculators is they can take decimals and convert them into fractions. They can take fractions and convert them into decimals automatically. So for example, if you typed in 0. Let's say 5 and converted it to a fraction, it would automatically spit out a half. And if you typed in 3 divided by 4, then it would immediately convert that into 0.75, for example. So it can go in either order. And here's how you get there. Your graphing calculator should have a button that says math on it, and then it'll give you two options, either arrow to fractions, which means convert into a fraction, or arrow to decimal, which means convert into a decimal. Let's take a look. All right, here's an example. Let's say we took, let's say 0.52. We wanted to convert this decimal into a fraction. So we'll push the math button, and then we'll choose the arrow to fraction. That's going to convert 0.52 into a fraction, and we get 13 over 25. I know that's pretty small, but it would convert it into 13/25. Now let's go in the other direction. Let's say we had, let's say we had 6 divided by 22, let's say 6 divided by 22. Then we could push the math button and change this fraction into a decimal. So we'll go arrow to decimal, and then this will give us a decimal version of this number. Now this is kind of a strange result. It says 0.2727272727. This is what we call a repeating decimal, and we would write that as 0.27 with a bar over the 2 and the 7, and that tells the reader to continually repeat 272727 infinitely many times. So it's a very nice feature that our graphing calculators have. They can convert fractions into decimals and decimals into fractions.